How to add Monzo to PayPal? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your credit or debit card from Monzo into your PayPal. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget, you're going to be able to find monzo.com website and sign up links in the description of this video. So first of all, Monzo is kinda almost only for the United Kingdom. Here it says that you can open a Monzo account even if you're not a UK tax resident. All you need is to live in the United Kingdom and have a United Kingdom address. If you don't have a United Kingdom address, they can't offer you a Monzo account. So by now, I'm not going to be able to show you the entire process, but it's like to open kind of like a PayPal, and there you can create a bank card, okay? Just made for travel in this case. That's how they promotion this, but that's how it is. It's a bank account and you can create your bank account easily and then like ask for a credit or debit card. And once you have done that and once you have your plastic, you can go into your PayPal and add a card, a credit card it could be, and you just have to fill all the data, the debit or credit card number, the card type, expiration date, security code, and your billing address. That's how you can link Monzo into your PayPal. But probably if you already have Monzo, I guess you're not gonna need to use PayPal at all, because this is an amazing bank that is gonna help you with whatever you need. And if you need to purchase something in a different website, probably you're gonna use the debit card that they offered you instead of using PayPal. But basically that's how you can do it. That's how you can add Monzo to PayPal. Thanks for watching.